In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Steam account on mobile. So what you're gonna have to do, first of all, make sure to download Steam on your mobile device. And as you can see, when you open it, you can only sign in. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open Chrome on your mobile device and then simply search for Steam. Then tap on Steam, and as you can see, I'm gonna get redirected here, and I'm gonna tap on the link at the top, and then I'm gonna tap here on the share button. So this is Safari, and I'm gonna open this in Chrome. And as you can see now, I'm on Steam on Chrome. And if I go to here, I tap on these three horizontal lines in the top left corner, I can simply go to login. And then here, what you're gonna have to do next, so let's wait until this loads up. And then you're gonna have to simply scroll down and tap on create an account. So here you're gonna have to simply enter your email address. So let me enter my email address really fast. And then here you're gonna have to confirm your email address. So let's copy this and let me paste it. And then here you're gonna have to choose your country of residence, and then scroll down and then simply check this box and then tap on continue. Then I'm gonna choose I am 16 years old of age or older. Now you're gonna have to verify your email. So simply open Gmail, and then you're gonna have to simply tap on the link here to verify. And then I'm gonna choose Chrome. And as you can see, email verified. So now what I can do, I can go back here. And as you can see now, I can simply enter my Steam name. And then I can create a password. So let's create a password really fast, so I can show you how this works. Now you're gonna have to confirm your password, and then simply tap on done, and basically that's all you have to do. Now you can simply open the Steam app here, and you can simply sign in with your Steam account name. So let's enter my Steam account name and then my password, and then you can simply sign in into your account. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.